isuka
azifona
uright uzofuna kuyi kaloku uzobefona nawe sikhule xa sizorelaxa nathi ke sana sisenziwa le nto. I will, guys. Thank you so much. Ndase wenza njani ba installation yakhe lasexesha elide? Ingxaki bemntase
and I want mine to last up until 25.
Ingxaki mntase mnasheni ndinazo ii-products zolungisa installation and like information about installation, so I know thina yabona mna noba iphakame kancinci. I know uba I have to clean le ndawo ephakamileyo nge-rubbing alcohol and then phinde ndifake iglue ndidraye yabo. So I can just say soloko ufanele uhlala unayo iglue so that xa iphakama kuloo ndawo encinci ithi isaphakame kancinci ube uyihoya. Ngenzeleke libanzenze zibe yi-4 azikho right xa ziyi-2.
They can be 2, they can be 4.
Ngenzenze zibe yi-2 because isena inetha. No. Ndizama loo nto mntase yazi. Hayiwa le plastic. Hayiwa asiphuzini.
Masukas. Khona wenza my thing. Zibe red rose. And then go February. Valentine.
Azizibambalwa sana zizoba yi-2.
Oh, it is a shirt.
Zizoba yi-2 inwele zam. Kuzode kuvela intlonzi. Damn. Hayi uzondiphuzisa usihlametsi. Hayi asihlametsi andiyithandi into eyenzekayo mfethu.
Wenzani?
Yo mntase kude kuvele intlonzi bra. That's how bad indaba yenwele zam engayo. I know I will regret this.
Ungayihlamba
Hmm?
ungayihlanganisi kakhulu.
Hayi bafuna ndigame.
Igama
Cela
yintoni?
ungisule apha endlebeni.
Hamba
Cela ungisule apha endlebeni. Cela ungisule.
Hamba nje.
Buhlungu uyanditshisa.
Shoot, sitheke ebusuku.
Kha ndifunde nofunda.
Oh.
Kuregular.
Yenza pha. Yeah. Make your hand loose. Yes. Yes. Yenza up. Here.
Uphela ungisule indlebe yathi ndiphinde ndayirelax. Bese ndizoba nendlebe nezilonda.
So.
Xa ndiphathele igumsi.
Yena.
Ikam enamazinyo amakhulu nenamazinyo amancinci. Iqalisile ke sanondluma.
Shoot, inhloko yakho lena isilonda. Isilonda. Is this? What is London? Isilonda bese but i-pimples.
Pimples. Asoze ke sana.
It's possible.
Ngoba bengeke Nkosi yami.
But few hairs. Hamba uhlamba ungayeki kakhulu.
Hey, sami sohlala. Phone.
Thathe phone. Oh, thathe le. Melweni abantu abadala. Netawulu. Akhona itawulu pha. Sikhona itawulu pha. Jonga. Why would I advise I eat you? Shikisa lento. Shikisa into. I-pipe. Shikisa i-pipe phela. Alright. Siyaphila sisi. Hayi ba. Guys, kumele ngathi umngeni wami.
Yo.
Sekla.
Siyaphela mfowethu.
Hamba apha. Apha ke.
Ndiyazazi uba ndityiwaphi Thuli.
Uzokuhamba kuyokhona, uzokuhamba kukhona next.
Ndizohamba zonke. Ikhona futhi futhi.
Thwela intloko futhi. Senze kwelenye isayidi.
Okay.
Ngoba
Usihlala isitifu.
apha ke.
Yes.
Oh, my back.
Conditioner shampoo everything.
Ora ngoshampoo siqala nje.
Yo, ngoba ngibala xa ngikule sisifu.
Yeka.
Yo! Yaseka? Yeah, Chomi. Yo, ngikule sisifu bra. Ngese ngikule ngomacici.
Hleka wena. Awuzokwazi ukuphuma because how are you going to do this again? Uzongena futhi? Thathe futhi.
Inhlonzi ishushu sana.
Uzongena kushushu.
Inhlonzi.
Into yenhloso.
Yo, ngeke sikwazi ukucinga ngabe English ngishiswa yini esikhathini.
Inhloko eshushu.
Inhlonzi ngithi inhloko.
Hayi inhloko nenhlonzi. Ziyafana. Oh, scalp. Oh, Chumani.
Indaba.
Sithu. What was that? Nkosini guys.
Yo, hayi. Ngathi yenza izinto kwesileyo. Yongichazelela.
Athi sithu.
Yawena.
Hayi, sizobona masiyedry. Manje asawu. Yenza.
After you.
Todo śmieszne. Śmieszne.
Otwierał.
Dawaj. Conditioner. I will touch it there when it sends up. My new conditioner. It's called a sentence up. It's called a sentence up. There you go. The benefit is couple. I'm going to tell you. That big glue or something there. Yeah, this is what that. So let's change the strong. I think I'm done. The other side. Very good. Put it down.
Not this one. Come on.
Yes,
This one, right? Okay.
the one that I've been washing with somebody.
How come I know so little?
I can't be with for enough.
Yeah, boss.
Boss. Ubonile ukuthi ubhanisha lesikipha sakho sanike sesi-white wahamba itaya
Isikipha sakho.
sakho senike
Senike esiphi?
semhlophe.
Not as Not your favorite.
No, not.
Oh, that's fine.
What if it was my favorite?
I just wanted to know because it's your favorite.
Wasithatha wazophumula into kayo. What is this thing? Utheni isiphulo bafethu. Wait, there's something in the head on this one. Twist this. Oh, come on. Twist this. Was I now your hair dryer, ma? We are hair dryer, ma?
I'm going to hair dryer too.
Oh, yes. Was a hair dryer. And these are season. This one was supposed to come out well.
What is short here, Banyam?
Yeah?
What is short here, Banyam?
Hleka leyo into ethoyo ukuthi i-short hair kanjani. I think it's because when that's here. Yeah. The one that we feel like I won't run. I saw you got your short hair. Sonkulu.
Sinjatu guys more. sindathi bengasabuzana abandirelaxile. That's why ndaye kurelaxa because kwenzeke izinto. It's been years and months and relax.
Why are you using the account?
So funa ususiglu. Ube phambili.
Atukhulile yona.
What happened?
What happened to her?
Kwenzeke ngoku acike idraya nenantsika. Ne-light.
Oh, no. I don't know. Even my charge is off. I think it's there.
Wait. Andifuni uncedwa guys mna, andifuni uncedwa. Xa kudrayo, yho sorry. Cala ukuzi bhotya because andikwazi unyamezela idraya, especially xa ndisenziwa omnye umntu. Right guys le. Zindiqhaza no hairline. Ube hairline. Hasha.
What is it through here? Oh, well, I'm not going to have voice statistic.
I will be saying do my bra already.
Still up.
Ne? So was of flecha after this, ne? Here. Ila onje phela sihlamezwe ngifanisha ngoku. Unantsika. Yazi into endikhalelayo.
Ifake charge.
Ndithi uyazi into endikhalelayo.
Okay.
Hayibo.
Amuthathe i-ribbon pha.
Ribbon into. Hayi. Ansimbob.
Okay, the right side.